In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your Canva website to your GoDaddy domain. If you've created a website in Canva and you're ready to make it live on your own custom domain, this walkthrough will take you through each step slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Let's start inside Canva. Make sure you're already on the design that you want to publish as a website. This could be a single page site, a portfolio, a landing page, or any other layout you've created. In the top right corner of the Canva editor, look for the option that says Publish Website. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for turning your design into a live website that people can visit. Once you've clicked Publish Website, Canva will ask how you want to publish your site. Here you'll see different options, but you want to look for the one that lets you use your own domain. Select the option that says Use my existing domain, then click Continue. This tells Canva you already own a domain name somewhere else, in this case through GoDaddy, and you want to connect that domain to this Canva site. Next, Canva will ask you to enter the domain you want to use. Type in your GoDaddy domain name exactly as you want visitors to see it, such as yourdomain.com, without any extra spaces or characters. Double check the spelling here because a typo means your site won't connect correctly. Once you've confirmed it looks right, click Continue. After that, you'll see an option to connect your domain. Click the button that says Connect Domain. When you do this, Canva will open a GoDaddy pop-up window. This is where the two services work together to set up the connection for you so you don't have to manually change technical settings like DNS records. In the GoDaddy pop-up, you'll be asked to log into your GoDaddy account, enter your usual GoDaddy login details, and sign in. If you're already logged in on that browser, you might just be asked to confirm access instead. Either way, the idea is to let GoDaddy know that you approve Canva managing the connection for that specific domain. Once you're logged in, GoDaddy will prompt you to authorize the connection between your domain and Canva. This authorization step is important because it gives Canva permission to update the domain settings on your behalf. Carefully review the prompt so you're sure you're connecting the correct domain, then confirm or authorize the connection. After you've authorized it, Canva and GoDaddy will work in the background to link your domain to your Canva website. This process might take a little time to fully update across the internet, sometimes up to a couple of hours, though it's often faster. During that period, your site may not appear immediately at your domain, so don't worry if it doesn't show up right away. Once the connection has finished updating, visit your domain in a browser to confirm everything is working. You should see your Canva design live on your GoDaddy domain, ready for visitors. From here, you can always go back into Canva to update your design and republish changes whenever you need. That's all there is to it. You've taken your Canva website and successfully connected it to your GoDaddy domain using the built-in integration with no complex manual setup required.